Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are replacing the radiator for your Audi A6 2005. I believe the '06 and '05 are the same process. To start with, uh, you gotta you have to remove your obviously your front bumper. I already took mine off. Um, all you gotta do there's three holes on top. There's one, there's two, and there's one right here. And you gotta remove these plastic tabs, right? Just undo it, unclip it, and there's one bolt on for each side. These are 10mm nuts. Same for the other side. That one right there. And all you gotta do is unplug your fog lights. Same thing for that side. Uh, so yeah. So yeah, this is your 10mm nut. This is for your fog lights. And if you're, I was replacing my headlights too. So for the headlights, only is one bolt here. It's T T30, I believe. Yeah, T30. It's hard to see, I guess, but then one right here, and one down here. And this is your plug for the headlight. Just unplug that, and headlight comes off. So back to the radiator. Once you remove the front bumper, then this is where the bumper goes. There's one T30. Then this is your horn assembly. Goes right here. For that, it's a T30 as well. Okay, then to have more access to replace the radiator, you have to remove your transmission oil cooler lines. There's one on top right here. It's a 10mm, and there's one down there too, 10mm. Then remove your bottom radiator hose. This is on your passenger side. Then just undo this clip, lift it, and then just pull and pull it out. And this is your bottom trainee cooler. Make sure you don't lose that O-ring right there, because you're gonna have oil leaks. The other side, let me show you. Pretty much all you gotta do, remove this top line radiator hose, and then same thing, undo the clip, this, pull it, undo it a little bit, and down here you have your bottom hose, which is this one right here. Then after that, you're gonna get more what else? Then you need to remove, well, this is for your front bumper clip, that it's to remove your window washer fluid. And then to have better access, you have to remove these there's two 13mm to over here. Just pull those out and this thing comes off. And this is your AC condenser. If you're not gonna replace it, then don't remove the lines, because once you do it, you're gonna start losing the freon gas. Then remove this little clip for your condenser so you can have better access. Those two lines right here, remove them from the they go right here. It's a long T30 screw bolt, I think. Then this is, I'm not gonna replace my condenser, so I'm gonna leave it there. And then basically once you remove the two lines for your trainee cooler right here, that one and the other one, your bottom hose, and then it should be pretty much ready to come off. Then these little grommets, they go in here, they go down here to keep it in place, so don't lose those in case your new radiator doesn't come with those. And these are the top clips that go in here. Just press this little clip inwards and just pull it out. There's one for each side. Then you should be able to lift this thing up. See, my radiator fans are right there. I'm not gonna replace any of that, so then you should be able to lift this thing up. I mean, let's see what else. That's pretty much it. You just gotta play with it a little bit. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but this is another hose too. I didn't see this hose. What's this hose for? Oh no. Already unhooked it. This is your bottom radiator on the driver's side. So there's one for the driver's side, bottom, then top on the driver's side, and for your passenger side, there's only one right there. That's it. Alright. This is for your Audi 2005 quattro A6. Alright, thanks for watching.